first met, where you gave me a name. It's been a few years since your secret, when you said you felt the same. But I won't look back, no, not anymore. I can't get back the nights on my floor, crying your name, crying your name. Take my hand, be my friend. The world hurt you, I understand. Too young souls, too young to know what the broken us will make amends. Rose-colored kingdom, come, I'm waiting for you. Where the wind calls, night falls, dancing under the moon. Where they won't go, down the railroads. The grass was wet, I took a breath. Then you pulled out that old checkered blanket. I walked around, I thought you'd understand what it meant to touch your hands. But I won't look back, no, not anymore. I won't forget the grace of the storm. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Don't let 'em know, let 'em know, let 'em know. Take my hand, be my friend. The world hurt you, I understand. Too young souls, too young to know what the broken us will make amends. Rose-colored kingdom, come, I'm waiting for you. Where the wind calls, night falls, dancing under the moon. Where they won't go, down the railroads.
Now, if you had a treasure, where would you hide it?
What do you want? You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down.
Even 10 minutes is a long time to be away from you. They were the cutest little rascals you'd ever want to look at.
Don't look back, don't look back, don't stand back, don't let 'em know. Don't look back, don't look back, don't stand back, don't let 'em know. Don't look back, don't look back, don't stand back, don't let 'em know. Don't look back, don't look back, don't stand back, don't let 'em know.
Now, if you had a treasure, where would you hide it?